Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create exercise 25 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is perfect for beginner and anyone looking for master in AutoCAD basic. I'll guide you through every step, make it super easy to follow. And you can also download the PDF file of this exercise from the link in the description box to practice from your side. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join us to support me. And let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the workspace. Open your AutoCAD and set your workspace to drafting and annotation. And set a unit, type UN, enter. Select as a type decimal, precision as a 0.0 and insertion scale will be millimeter. And click on OK. Now step 2. Drawing the main circle. If you see this diagram, there is a 4 main circle. First one, then second one, third one and the fourth one. Okay. So now use a circle command. Draw a circle, first point, C for circle, click on first point, D for diameter as a 120. Press enter. Now again draw the second circle with the diameter of 100. C for circle. Click on center point. D for diameter 100. Enter. Now draw the two similar circle with a diameter of 90 mm and 80 mm. So C for circle. D for diameter 80 and C for circle. D for diameter 90. Now select this 120 and 90 circle, go to properties, change a center line and color will be red. Now step 3. Adding the smaller holes on outer circle. As you see in this image, this one and also this one and this one. If you see very properly, then dimension also mentioned. 6 diameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Outer circle diameter will be 20 and inner circle diameter will be 10. So C for circle. Draw a circle with a diameter 20 mm at the one point of the 120 mm circle. C for circle. D for diameter 20. Enter. Now again C for circle. D for diameter 10. Enter. Now use the rotate command to replace this circle 2 times up and down. As you see in this image, 60 angle up and 60 angle down. So select this circle, use RO for rotate command, click on center point, C for copy and put the angle as a 60. Enter. Now again select this circle, RO for rotate, click on the center point, C for circle, put a value as a minus 60 angle. If you see very carefully, here is a curve. So we need to create these curves and curves radius will be 7. So now F for fillet, R for radius and curve radius as a 7. Use T for trim, there is a no trim, choose no trim and M for multiple. First this circle to these, also these to these and these to this and also these to this. Select all the circles and curves using MI for mirror. Click on the center point to upside. Choose as a no. Now step 4. Draw 2 additional circles with a diameter of 8 mm at a 30-degree angle along this 100 mm circle. So C for circle, click on D for diameter 8. Enter. Select this circle, choose RO for rotate command, click on center point and angle will be 30. Enter. And again select this circle, RO for rotate, click on center point, C for copy and choose as a minus 60. Enter. Now select both circle, choose MI for mirror command, click on the center point to coordinate point. Choose as a no. Now step 5. Connecting the curves. Use line command, close the curves. L for line from here to here, as same as from here to here. Now step 6. Clean up. Use the trim command to remove extra line, circles and all. Clean up the drawing for a polished finish. So use TR double enter. Need to trim this one and also this one. Just we make fast forward. Select all your drawing except this one. Press shift key and deselect this one. Go to properties. Add line thickness as a 0.35. Now step 7. Adding the dimension. So DLI for dimension linear command. After add the dimension in this drawing, you see just like that. So congratulations, you have successfully complete exercise 25 in AutoCAD step by step. I hope this tutorial was simple and helpful for you. Download the exercise 25 PDF from the description box to practice further. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share with your friend and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to join the channel, support us creating more amazing content like this. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.